Hello, everybody. Welcome to the world today. Another great day in Poway. Got a little bit of sun behind me. Blue skies. The screen's going to adapt to it. Just want to say hello and hope everybody's being positive and happy. Keep the crazy world up there, man. Just keep smiling. That's all you actually can do. Life's beautiful. Life is good. So the best thing to do, I say, is go out there and just dance. You don't need music. Dance. Got a phone call calling me. Just dance to the world, okay? I'm going to dance for you guys right now. I'm just going to dance to nature and dance. Nature, nature, oh nature, 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 nature. This is my nature dance. This is my nature dance. Goodbye.